All right, you guys, so today you are simplifying fractions, which is the same thing as finding the smallest equivalent fraction. So the second problem on the page today is 9/27, okay? So over here in my anchor chart, I know that if the numerator is 1, the fraction is in the simplest form. Well, my numerator is not 1, it's 9, okay? So I have to find the greatest common factor. So just like on the anchor chart, I'm going to write 9 over here and 27 over here, okay? So remember that a factor is what you multiply together to get 9. So I know that I have 1 and 9 to get 9. And I also have 3 and 3, okay? So now I'm going to move on to 27. I know that 1 times 27 is 27. And I know that 3 times 9 is 27. And those are the only factors of 27. So now I look between the factors for 9 and the factors for 27, and I find the biggest one that they have in common. So 1 they have in common, but that's not the biggest one they have in common. 3 they have in common, but that's not the biggest one that they have in common. 9 they have in common. 27 they don't. So 9 is the greatest common factor. Now, you could get there dividing by 3, but it is less steps to do the greatest common factor, okay? So now, just like the anchor chart, I'm going to do this step. I'm going to divide by the greatest common factor, which I know is 9. So my greatest common factor, is 9, okay? So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 9. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. So I get my answer of 1/3. That is the smallest equivalent fraction to 9/27. Thanks, guys.